How to fix Instagram security code not received. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the Instagram security code is not being received. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go ahead and then actually fix if your Instagram code is not being received, there are a couple of ways why this happens. Now, first of all, you have to simply check that whether or not do not disturb mode is enabled. When do not disturb mode is turned on, it is going to block out all notifications. So make sure to turn it off. In this case, I'm only turning it on because I'm recording this video and I do not want any disturbances. And once I do that, it also depends on what kind of occasion you're trying to receive the code for. So maybe you're trying to reset your password, or maybe you're trying to reset a login from a new location. Now it might send a code to a number or an email, so make sure that you have access to that code. So you want to open up your SIM card and then see if you have access to that specific number, because if you do not have that number, then obviously you will not receive the code. And then after that, you can also try to go ahead and then open up Play Store and then search for Instagram. And once you search for Instagram, check if there is an update available. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And then you can also try to simply close this Instagram app. So in the first time, if it's not coming a security code, just try to close it just like that, and then reopen Instagram and then try it again. Just do not just try it from the same tab over and over again. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.